What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2015 Honda Odyssey. So there's actually two different methods to reset the oil life. We'll take a look at both of them. They both do the same thing. You can use either one you want. The first thing I'm going to do is put my ignition to the on position. So without pressing the brake, I'm going to press the stop start button 2 times. And you can see it turns the dash on. So for the first method, we're going to come up here and be using the odometer stem right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is press the odometer stem and keep pressing that until we get to our oil life percentage. You can see our oil life percentage is at 100 right here. It's already been reset. Once you have your oil life percentage up like this, then I'm going to press and hold the odometer stem in. So press and hold it in. And to continue to hold it in until our oil life percentage starts blinking. Usually takes about 10 to 20 seconds. Then once it starts blinking like that, go ahead and release the odometer stem and then press and hold it down again. And then you're going to press and hold it down until it blinks and resets to 100%. And this one's already obviously at 100%, but if it wasn't, it would have reset back. Now for the second method, we'll come over here and we're going to be using the screen and these buttons right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is press the settings button. And that's going to take us to this screen up here. And I'm going to use this dial right here to scroll over to vehicle settings. Once vehicle settings is highlighted like that, I'll press enter. That's going to take us to this screen, the vehicle settings screen. Once I'm on this screen, I'm going to use my dial here to scroll all the way down and keep scrolling all the way down until we get to maintenance reset. Once maintenance reset is highlighted, I'm going to press enter for OK. And then it's going to bring up our oil life percentage. You can see right here. And then I need to use this dial, push the whole thing down. And then reset will be highlighted. And then press enter for the reset. And then one more thing, it's just asking, do we want to confirm? Use that dial to scroll over to reset and then press enter. And then if it wasn't already, it would be reset back to 100%. So either way, both those methods do the same thing. You can use whichever one you prefer. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.